If you've ever been told to come over top of the ball to make it spin, I've got news for you. That advice is actually hurting your game, not helping it. Here's why. When you roll your wrist over top of the ball or chop over it, you actually lose control and either put the ball in the net or hit it out. That's not actually real topspin. That's just mishitting the ball. The real secret is in your paddle face at the exact moment of impact. When you contact the ball at the moment of impact, you want to make sure that your paddle face is vertical, not open, not closed, but vertical. With that position, you're actually creating topspin by brushing up the back of the ball from low to high. At no point do you actually go over top of the ball. If you were to do that, the paddle face would be pointing down into the net. And you'll see a lot of people try to hit topspin by rolling over and send the ball in the net, not by going up the back of the ball. This spin comes from the upward brushing motion, not from flipping your wrist. You're actually swinging with your shoulder, your whole upper arm, not your wrist. If you watch any pro and you slow it down and pause it right at the moment of impact, their paddle face is vertical. You might see them afterwards swing with this motion, but that's after the moment of impact. At the moment of impact, their paddle face is vertical. It's not rolling over top of the ball. Picture your paddle as a wall. If that wall is vertical at the moment of impact and you're going from a low to high swinging motion, you're going to create topspin. But if the wall is tilted either back or forwards into the ground, you're going to send the ball long or send it into the net. The key is to brush up the back of the ball. So it'll look something like this. The key is to remember, have the paddle face vertical at the moment of impact. Not tilted up or tilted down, but vertical. And swing with your arm. Here's another tip. When you're swinging and hitting this shot, you're not swinging with the lower part of your arm. Remember, you might see pros bend their arm like this or follow through like that, but it's after the moment of impact. At the moment of impact, they're swinging with their upper arm, not just their lower arm. So here's one way to practice. Again, with the vertical face, you can simply go to a court, hold the paddle face vertical, toss the ball up, and just do that right there. Practice having the paddle face vertical at the moment of impact. Focus on keeping the wrist stationary and making that smooth upward contact with your whole arm, your upper arm and shoulder, not just your forearm. All that you need to do to practice this is hold the paddle face vertical, start low, practice going up the back of the ball, keeping the paddle face vertical, just like this. It's all you need to do to practice. Once you have that mastered, you can incorporate the rest of the swing. But first, you need to master having the paddle face vertical if you want to hit topspin. For more instructional videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button.